Okay. Stage 16 complete. Looks like we got some Neos over here. Boom. Boom. I like how the bubbles stay for a really long time. It's pretty nice. Go. Bada burp, bada burp. Boom. Alright, cool. Let's keep on going. The thing about these ladders that's tricky is that when you burp on them, you immediately fall off. So you gotta keep it. Oh, no, 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 no. Alright, we're good, we're good. If you just keep on holding forward, you're probably not gonna fall off the ladder. Alright, seems like we got a tower-like level over here.